Hello and welcome back to a new video from WEBA. Today I'm going to show you how to factory reset your smartwatch. Without further ado, let's begin. Okay, so for this example, maybe you will install a watch face that you did not like, right? Or maybe you want to sell your smartwatch and you want all your information to be completely deleted or erased. We are going to do the following, okay? So we are going to do this from the application. Some applications allow a full reset, but we will do it directly from the watch, okay? So enter the watch menu. Usually the reset option is near to top or inside settings. Go into settings, scroll down until you find the factory reset or reset to factory settings. Then tape it and the watch will ask if you want to reset it. Confirm it and the watch will turn off and turn on again. Now you will need to select the language. Next, tap next again. This shows the device name. Tap next. Now configure it again from the beginning. As you can see, it is completely factory reset. Even if the watch face remains, all information has been erased. After the factory reset, you can also delete extra data, cache, or save the information from the application. Go into Me, then go into Settings. Look for an option called Clear Data. Here you will see all the data that you can delete. Select everything and tap Clean. The cleaning process will complete. This helps remove any remaining information from the watch and from the iPhone application. One important thing to mention, factory reset cannot always be done from the application. Some watches allow it, some do not. I'm explaining this a general way. If your application allows it, you can reset it from there. If not, do it directly from the watch as I showed you. In my case, this application does not allow it, but the watch does. So I did it in that way. So that is the video for today. I hope you like it. I hope it helps you. If it helps you in any way, please give us a like, leave a comment, share this video. That really helps us a lot to reach more people. And well, without anything else to say, I hope you take care and I will see you in the next one.